There are times when you are so busy you can't see straight and the money is just flowing in. And then suddenly everything shifts and you start to worry that you will never land another client again. This is called the feast and famine cycle, and it's really common. Very few businesses, particularly smaller ones, are earning consistent revenue month over month. And when business slows down, it's easy to fall down the rabbit hole of panic and shame. Instead of quitting and sending out resumes, here are 5 strategies that I have found really helpful in dealing with the ebbs and flows of business. Number 1, know that you're not alone. We tend to believe that we are the only exception to any rule. In this case, we believe that no other business ever experiences periods of drought. And because of the story that we tell ourselves, we tend to avoid talking to other people about this issue because we're afraid we'll look like a failure or be found out for a fraud. And that makes it an even more lonely and scary place to be. With 100% certainty, I can tell you you're not alone. I've been in business for more than 15 years, and I still experience highs and lows. Last year, as an example, I had 1 month where I made $15,000, another where I barely made $2,500. Thankfully, I'm now in a place where I experience far more of the highs than the lows, but things are still not even for me month after month. Take a risk and be vulnerable. Talk to your biz besties about your fears, about the hard times. You'll likely hear a chorus of Me Too's, which is going to help you feel less lonely. And also, those people can help you brainstorm ways for turning things around. Number 2, plant seeds. Worry is a waste of time. Instead, view your new open schedule as an opportunity. It's a time to do all of that marketing work that you put off when you're super busy. If you plant seeds now, you will be reaping the rewards of this slow season for months and years to come. As a word of warning, when money starts to come in again, and it will, don't stop your marketing and selling efforts. I know it can feel impossible to find time to fill your pipeline when you're already so busy with work. But remember, it's a great problem to have. It's short-sighted and really problematic to stop marketing when we're busy. But so often that's what many of us do, especially when we're solopreneurs and don't have a team to pick up the slack. But if you don't keep up those efforts, then when a client doesn't resign, you hit a seasonal slowdown, the economy starts to turn, you will be right back into this slow time and into that feast and famine cycle. If you're always planting seeds, you will always have more feast than famine. Number 3, look at the data. It can be really easy to spiral from I'm not making enough money right now to I'm a total loser and I might as well quit. This is particularly true when we only rely on our bank account and our feelings to assess our success. The cure? Track more metrics. This allows you to use factual data to assess your progress. Sales may be down, but maybe your email list is growing, or you've been on more podcasts lately, or any other number of things that might result in sales later. Or it could be that revenues are down, but profits are up because you're spending smarter or you're getting more repeat work. Knowing all of your numbers gives you a more complete picture of the ways that you are growing and improving, even if sales numbers look down. Also, having real data gives you more insight into your particular version of the feast-famine cycle. If your work slows every holiday or every summer, you can use that information to be more prepared, financially and emotionally, for a future slowdown. Number 4, take a break. When work is light and money is tight, it may seem impossible and even counterintuitive to relax. Yet, it may be your only time to slow down and recharge your batteries. The truth is, most of us let self-care slip when we are overloaded with work. That makes it all the more important to use your slow season to get a massage, go for a walk, binge Netflix. Reframe your thinking about slow times. Think of them instead as flex times. You worked your butt off previously to earn this time off now. Number 5, don't quit yet. Never make a big decision on your worst day. When you're in a state of panic, any choice you make is based on feelings, not facts. It's rooted in a story that you're telling yourself and one that will likely change very soon. And the same is true, by the way, for making big decisions on your best days. Feelings aren't facts. Take a break, and when you're feeling more even-keeled, analyze the facts before making a decision, something that could be big, like changing your business direction or quitting it altogether. While my business still has a bit of a feast-famine cycle, I no longer allow it to also create a peace and panic cycle. That's because I've done a lot of hard work to shift from scarcity thinking to abundance thinking. And really, that's a lot of what I'm talking about with these 5 tips I've shared today. I now know with absolute confidence that I can and will always make more money. If you're ready to develop an abundance mindset, enroll in my Money Mindset Crash Course. It's a 30-day program designed to help you create a better relationship with money so you can make more of it. You can learn more about it here.